my senior who is the amicus curiae in this case is not well to tell you. Matter may be adjourned for the day.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the learned amicus curiae, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship. My lord, item number 21.
21,
21, my lord.
supply list.
Yes, my case, my lord, analogous matter is criminal appeal number 203/2021. Is not tagged with this.
Against the same judgment.
My lord, different judgment, but subject matter is almost same.
Subject matter is same. How is
Different case, my lord, but out of the same accident.
same accident?
Yes, my lord.
Criminal appeal.
Criminal appeal.
Where is the accident?
On the same day, my lord, 22/3/2017.
Is it connected? Is it arising out of the same judgment?
Not out of the same judgment, different judgment is there. By the same judge.
Often same. Madam,
Different judgment is there.
different judgment in a criminal case, how can it be analogous?
I filed criminal leave appeal, my lord, with the permission of this honorable court, leave was granted, and then the criminal appeal number 203 was registered, my lord. And it was admitted, call for record. Different judge. By the same court.
We'll adjourn your matter. We'll see. We'll examine on the next date. When do you want? After a week?
My lord, second or third, my lord.
Hmm?
Second or third, my lord.
Second or third means?
December, my lord.
No, maybe it's
No, he's
It's
saying
on the paper book.
there is another appeal which is connected. But he says it's from a different judgment.
Different
so
judgment.
how
my lord.
could it be done?
How can a different judgment be connected in a criminal case?
Today, and I just said that there is an experience.
No.
And then get it connected.
But this petitioner was an accused in the previous judgment, my lord.
Oh, maybe cross cases
Yes.
were there.
Not cross case. He is the appellant. It's not against acquittal.
He not against acquittal, my lord. I'm just saying.
Maybe adjourn today.
Okay, what is the, but that is still at the stage of orders. Here it's come for hearing.
अभी hearing और ऐसे भी तो network के order का
We cannot have that
Hearing,
for hearing.
it is also for hearing, my lord.
The other one is also for
He
hearing.
also is hearing, my lord. As per the last, it was admitted on
We will
9/12/2021.
not say anything. We will just adjourn it by a week. You consult the records of the other case. On a prayer made on behalf of the appellant, made by Sri I.A. Talukdar, learned counsel for the appellant. Matter is adjourned for a week. And there is a private respondent also, B. Chanda. Have you informed him? You have not informed B. Chanda.
Which one of them? Inform first.
No, no.
Not done. No problem. Inform him first, then we'll pass orders.
Inform first.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 6. My senior is on leave. Kindly matter may be adjourned for a week.
6, we have not been called. Is it called?
No, I was mentioning.
Her senior is on legs.
No, it's on leave.
Leave.
Oh, he's on leave. Okay. When do you want? Who is your senior?
Ekta Chaudhary.
You have informed the other side.
No, your lordship.
Don't make a mention without informing. What is this practice? Young lawyer, you don't know the practice of the court. You be on the other side, let the other side mention. You wait till 4 o'clock. You see the plight, what will happen to you. Don't make a mention like this. Inform and come.
God bless your lord.
May please, your lordship. This appeal, my lord, arising out of a order passed by the NIA whereby rejected my bail petition, my lord.
Rejected?
My bail petition.
Oh. Heard. Your H.A. Ahmed, learned counsel for the appellant who has referred this appeal under so and so, 21 for asylum, of the National Investigation Act against so and so, order dated. Full stop. By the aforesaid order, the prayer for bail of the appellant has been rejected. Para admit. Is it required to have the scan copies?
Your Lord, may call for.
Scan copies, not the call for the scan copies of the records. Full stop. Three, your name?
D. Bharadwaj,
D. Bharadwaj. Then it's standing counsel. Standing counsel, yeah.
public.
Learned PP, NIA. Accepts notice on behalf of. What about, why have you made the S1 number 2?
Respondent 2 may be strike off.
For the response number 1. At this stage, full stop. The learned counsel for the appellant makes a prayer for striking off the name of the response number 2. Full stop. The same would be considered on the next date. Para, list on,
After 3 weeks.
list after 4 weeks with for report, for service report. No, there's no service report, for receipt of the records.
My lord, if they have filed any objection, that may be.
In the meantime,
Objections,
we'll-
if any, may be filed in the meantime.
May I please, your lordship? Appellant has been convicted for 20 years, my lord. POCSO, section 6.
Okay, POCSO, your SSGR.
My lord.
Has heard Miss SSGR Leonard Counsel so and so. Admit. Call for the records. All right, Al Jahan for 1, 2, to be routed to the office of the PP. As per number 2, informant record now. R2 is the informant or the victim?
Mother of the victim.
Informant.
Informant.
Informant. Okay.
There is
Yes.
an IA for suspend.
I will notice 6. IS 6 into silo. Okay.
Obliged.
FT.
Yes, lord.
Yes, Home Department. FT.
Yes.
This is not the regular bench. That is the problem actually.
Yes,
Wait for a while, madam.
Yes, lord.
Baki ka down article. And try to get them informed.
Yes, lord.
As Sharma Hazarika, she comes.
Last occasion, it was adjourned on our behalf.
God. Sharma Hazarika. It is not well understood.
None appears for the appellant on call. Full stop. On the last occasion also, time was taken on behalf of the learned legal aid counsel who appears for the appellant. Para, in the interest of justice, matter is adjourned for a further period of a week. List after a week.
Okay.
Miss Jahan, Learned DPP
Otherwise,
president.
paper book is ready and everything
You
is
have
done.
seen.
4 to 2.
But here.
Paper book is ready.
Yes.
Here go.
Oh.
I go. Paper book is ready.
Item number 4.
Four,
It's a
ma'am.
day.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll fix for hearing.
Only thing, my lord, the office note is dated 25/11, my lord. It says, my lord, that the respondent number 2, she left the village and she's, my lord, to some other place.
Foxo matter.
No, no.
202.
302.
Doesn't matter. Then. Not mandatory. Uh, Heard 3 RD learned concept for the appellant as well as Miss B. Bhuya learned APP. Para. Paper book has been prepared and copies thereof have been furnished to the learned counsel. Para. List for hearing in his turn.
No, can it be a formula? Because ultimately, my lord, 7 persons were acquitted, my lord, only 1 person were, my lord, convicted.
All matters are urgent. 23 matters.
No,
We
understand.
have
Only thing
got
below-
19 matters, 17
Well,
matters.
here was a case when the court came to the conclusion, my lord.
All cases are exceptional. Okay, in the third week of January, 2025.
Oh.
You want during the second week?
I don't know what.
He may
Because
want-
of you, bro.
Lordship, my, need a matter be passed over for.
Item number,
5. My senior is on lights.
paper book prepared. Madam Bhuya,
Lordship.
paper book prepared or what?
Yes. Lordship, not paid.
Not prepared. Yes, Mr. Mahmood. Mr. Mahmood,
Very well. Right.
no, it doesn't matter.
Good, Tamal. So, my lord, we are for bail today.
You are for rejection of bail today.
My lord,
You said you are for rejection of bail today.
no for allowing.
Oh, okay. We had rejection. Okay.
Now, Lordship may kindly say,
Like to cut it.
You were arguing on merits or on some subsequent?
January lordship,
Okay, you are an amicus or legal?
legal aid.
Legal aid.
I am spending and I have my objection. I think it's in record.
We'll have to-
Refreshing, yes.
Okay. The paper book has been prepared. Para, list this appeal for hearing in the last week of January 2025.
Obliged.
Ito likhbo. Agot Ms. B. Sharma, Learned Legal Aid Council, and as Jahan, APP, heard. Bottom. Yes, Mr. Rashid.
In this case, this is a POXO matter, there is an order of this whole court, that is
Lordship,
6/9/24.
on behalf of Miss A. Begum, I am praying, Lordship, short date be given. There's some personal difficulty
Okay,
today.
objections filed.
Objection, I have.
This application. When have you filed this?
Lordship, before that notice came out,
Under section so and so. Praying for staying and suspending, huh? Let notice be issued, returnable by 6 weeks. Miss L. Jahan, Learned APP. Accepts notice on behalf of respondent 1, huh? 2 tomorrow. In the manner prescribed to be routed through the office of the public prosecutor, Guwahati High Court. Okay. Appeal has been admitted otherwise.
yes, Lord.
Appeal is admitted, records are also called at.
Okay.
Obliged.
But
Lordship, let me also file the evidence which I will be relying, Lordship.
You will be pressing your bail application.
Because he is in jail since 2014, Lordship, more than 10 years.
10 years.
Yeah, unfortunate case, Lordship. We approached the court lately.
You are a regular appeal.
Regular appeal.
Okay.
Objection.
Same আছে, huh? To facilitate এটা লিখিছিলাম কি মামুদৰ কেছটো এওঁ লিখি দিবা
Lordship, can it be fixed on next Tuesday or Wednesday?
We'll do it just a minute. There's a standard this respond number 2 also.
File, they have entire affair, name has been shown.
As Upadhyay.
Lord.
Same order হবো instead of Mahmood হেৰি দিব B Chakraborty. Or we had S Jahan. Or R2 that K Fukan asile নহয়. K Fukan এইটোত S Upadhyay হ'ব. চাই ল'ব এটা. Item number 18. We'll have it when? List on?
Wednesday, Lordship.
Wednesday, okay. The other one we have fixed on when? Monday or Tuesday? Mahmood's case?
Mahmood is
Monday, perhaps. Lordship.
Monday.
Okay.
Mahmood is
That was on
second. I think Monday,
Monday. Okay, we have you on 4th.
Wednesday.
Okay.
Lordship. Objection filed on over.
File to be made.
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I mean, item number 20, my, yes. I mean, today we are placing this IF for bail, my lord. Now, the appellant was convicted under 20B to C, that is for commercial quantity.
19 also there is an I. 19 also there is an I and 20 also.
You are pressing the IA.
Yes, my. My lord, I'll have from just 2 points because this is for bail, my lord. As for the FIR, my lord, and the evidence of prosecution witnesses, on the basis of the information, they have chased one vehicle and intercepted it, and they have arrested the driver, which is Rajiv Doimari, this present applicant, my lord. Now, this is and they have said that they have recovered 30 kgs of ganja. Now, my lord, may kindly see the evidence of PW3, my lord, at page 58. We have annexed it along with our I, my lord. Page 58, and the prosecution says that all
It's
these
58.
58, my lord, the interception was made in
58 of which one?
IA, my lord.
It's not there. Or else any guy, I believe. Which one? 1188.
My
Which
lord,
I-
1188, my lord, yeah.
Objections filed.
Yes, as
Yes,
objection
yes,
filed by my colleague Sapna Adorika. And perhaps it's on record. I find it in my file.
Yes, is there. Are you ready with the matter or madam?
She's actually in the.
Where is she? Can you call her?
She is in some other court. Yeah, I can.
No, that will be convenient for you. Have it after some time. Call her if you continue. There's not a problem. Call her.
I'll call her. Then.
Okay. Because this matter was not, there was no order for listing this IA. Order was in the other IA.
Other we have, I don't know whether we have filed. Firuz Doimari.
Yes, 8/12, this matter has come up after 8/12/2023.
Mm.
So it not be
Yes.
proper even to adjourn sine die kind of a thing. Please try to inform her. We'll wait for a while.
My lord.
We can accommodate 1 or 2 days, will not make a problem. No? এটা হেৰি আছিল নহয় এই section 6 কৰা Madam Payang. Where is the petitioner side?
Lordship, she is in other court for 5 minutes. Our matter is reached here.
No, if we touch upon the hearing, then it will be difficult.
Okay, I'll call her.
Or we can have it on the next. When is he coming? Is he be reaching now? Because if we start a hearing, we cannot stop a hearing midway.
It's from court number 6.
No, yes. Yes, you can just start off with the effects. What is it? Who are other councils are there? No, not this, FT matters. For, you're for whom? Okay, and the, buying is for home department.
Yes.
We'll take up which one, 15 first.
Yes, Lord.
Mr. Pang, you're ready or not?
Yes, but
Because this is now not a regular bench, because of some difficulty it has come before us.
Yes.
Isn't it? Okay.
Lordship, it's an ex parte order. Order is that page starts from page 23, Lordship.
You are pressing which matter? 5363.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Bimola Khatun, Lordship. It's an ex parte order, Lordship. The petitioner wants to contest this matter.
Yes, please.
And
থাকিব, দেৰি নালাগে। কোনোবা আহিছে নেকি বোলে? অভিষেক, ঠিক আছে, এতিয়া যোৱা। Yes, please.
yes, Lordship. Page 25 is the effective part of the order, Lordship.
Please read the entire order.
Entire order starts from page 23, Lordship, ends at 25.
Hmm.
Here, the notice was affixed by in the Gaon
Please
Panchayat
read, please
office,
read the
Lordship.
order.
Yes, Lordship. OP is, I'm reading from page 24, Lordship.
Yes.
The opposite, the reference has been received by SP Border Darang against Bimola Khatun, wife of Atar Ali of village Latabari, Pahutali, under Tipajhar PS, alleging her to be a foreigner. I have gone through the materials on record. The opposite party is absent. The opposite party failed to appear even after proper service of notice. Hence, alternately, the case is decided ex parte. The concerned EO is present. He is examined and discharged. He has proved the notice as which was properly served in the manner under section 35F of the order 1964. He has affixed a copy of the notice in the conspicuous part, that is in the notice board of Bazna Pathar Gaon Panchayat. Exhibit 1 is the notice, Exhibit 1.1 is the report, Exhibit 1.2 and 1.3 are the signature of CN P. Sri Tapan Chandra Deka and Sri Rafiqul Haq. Exhibit 1, 4 and 5 are the signature of the witnesses Rameshwar Rajbanshi, Gampura of Pahuritali and Kirakara, and Mojam Ali, Pion, Baznapathar, Gaon Panchayat, and Exhibit 1.6 is the signature of Sri Kanak Shekia, PSI FT4 MLD. After the proper service of the notice, the opposite party did not appear to take necessary steps. Therefore, the case is heard and decided ex parte law. Here, Lordship, under section 35F of the order 1964, Lordship,
আছে নে আমাৰ এইকেইখন?
may I read, Lordship?
আমাৰ নাই। ৰাখি দিব লাগে, কিন্তু matter আহি থাকে।
Already quoted in our petition also. This.
Page.
Yes, Lordship. Page, Lordship. Para 14. Para 14.
page 14.
Okay.
Para 14. Here, if the proceeding, may I read, Lordship?
Just a minute. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Here, the provision under section 3(5)(f) is if the proceedee has changed the place of residence or the place of work without intimation of the investigation agency, the process server shall affix a copy of the notice on the outer door or some other conspicuous part of the house.
Conspicuous.
Yes, conspicuous part of the house in which the proceedee ordinarily resides or last resided or reportedly resided or personally worked for gain or carries on business, and shall return the original to the foreigners tribunal from which it was issued with a report endorsed thereon and annexed thereon, stating that he has so affixed the copy. The circumstances under which he did do, and the name and address of the person, if any, by whom the house was identified and in whose presence the copy was affixed. Lordship. Here, the copy was affixed in the Gaon Panchayat, in the office of the Gaon Panchayat, Lordship, not in the residence of the petitioner.
Other conspicuous part of the house.
Yes, Lordship, house is not there.
But when have you come? When did you come to know about this?
From the Gaonbura, Lordship, we have
When?
recently, Lordship,
Recently when? Recently will not do.
para 5 of my petition, Lordship.
Para 5.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
The petitioner came to know about the order passed by the Finance Tribunal recently as the Gaonpura of the concerned locality was informed by the SP border that they are searching for the petitioner
To know.
as the petitioner was declared foreigner and
Paragraph?
para 5,
Please
Lordship,
read. That.
that it is respectfully stated and submitted herein that the petitioner came to know about the order passed by the learned Foreigners Tribunal recently as the Gaonpura of the concerned locality was informed by the SP border that they are searching for the petitioner as the petitioner was declared foreigner, and thereafter the Gaonpura informed the petitioner about the same.
Recently is too vague, madam.
And then thereafter she applied also in the month of May. If we see the Lordship, the order, she had applied in the month of May 2024.
You got it in June.
Yes, Lordship.
Thereafter you filed when? This in September.
Yes, Lordship.
24/9.
Because we need to instruct the client about the case. These are the documents you are required to bring on. And if we see the certified copy of the voters list also, Lordship.
You are not required to explain your conduct, madam. You are required to explain the conduct of the.
Yes, petitioner
Petitioner.
applied. Yes, Lordship. Petitioner
You said that you
applied.
need to instruct her.
Yes, Lordship.
You are not here to. You explain why she's got delayed.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, in the month of June, she applied for the certified copy.
She applied in May. She got on 3rd of June.
Yeah, yes,
Starting of the
Lordship.
month.
Yes,
You
Lordship.
filed it on end of November, end of September, 24th of September.
Yes, Lordship.
Even from knowledge and getting the order, July, August,
Because-
September.
Because she was not aware of the earlier when the Gaonpura informed her, she was not aware of the legal aid which is provided to her. Can be provided, and she came to know.
The
a group
moment
of
you apply for a certified copy,
She
we
came to know.
you assume
Yes,
that you have come to know about the consequence.
yes.
You
Lordship.
got it on 3/6. Till that,
And
that-
then certified copy of the
3/6.
voters list. Lordship, page 38. Voters list, date 21/6/2024.
page
Page 38, Lordship.
38. All
If
20
the-
all 21/6, all
No,
in.
sir, no, Lordship, 42 is 22/8/2024. Voters list of 1975. page 42. Date is 22/8/2024.
That is when you applied. When did you apply? When did you apply, madam? Others you have applied in June. Why this till August?
Because the council advised to get the voters list of 1975 last year. If one chance may be given to the petitioner to prove her case before the tribunal.
What who were the witnesses before whom the notice was affixed?
The one is the Gampura and
It was in the notice board of the Gaon Panchayat.
yes, sir.
Mr. Pang?
My lord, admittedly, my lord, it is true, my lord, the notice was hanged, the, my lord, office of the foreign, my lord.
Gaon
office notice
Panchayat.
to Gaon Panchayat. But section 35F, my lord, that doesn't. But my lord, second thing, my lord, he has not explained the delay and lapses of approaching this. My lord. There is no explanation. On this, simply the knowledge is, my lord, explanation is about the knowledge that he has come to know from the Gaon.
Gambura.
There is no explanation why he has come. That part is not. Thirdly, my lord, if expertise is first, there is a provision in the Foreigners Tribunal Order 1964. If expertise is first, my lord, expertise decision is given by the Foreigners Tribunal. They can approach before the Foreigners Tribunal by way of, my lord, review petition. That is 3A, my lord.
Of the same order of 1964?
1964.
3A?
Yes. It is specified within 30 days they have to approach. So these are the provisions of law.
Have you checked the records regarding the affixation of the notice?
Oh,
Please check the records.
let-
Madam, you also have a look at the records.
Yes.
No, they have said in the notice that they visited the village. Nobody has knowledge about this petition. So they could not find any. So that's why they hanged it in the notice board of here. That is difficult.
Residents could not be located.
That is residents could not. That is the
Now she's in
Yeah.
the know.
this, yeah.
He or she?
She.
See,
Okay, we'll pass orders today itself. We most likely will allow this.
Yes.
But we'll give a particular time. What is the nature, what is the nature of the orders we had passed earlier on ex parte, if we allow?
remanded from first in case of matter knowledge, earlier knowledge.
Hmm. And what about other observations?
Nothing matter, they will appear before the tribunal and they will.
No, within what time?
Within 15 days to fix the date.
Okay, we'll pass the order right now. Heard,
Because my lord, if records are here, record will have to go back.
yes.
That time
Let us pass the order. Heard. Miss H. Betala, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri J. Payang, learned standing counsel, Home Departments. H. Kuli, H. Kuli, learned counsel representing the NRC,
Respondent.
Election Commission of India. Anyone else? Okay. The instant petition filed under Article 226, read with Article 227 of the Constitution of India, has been filed assailing an order dated 30/12/2017 passed by the Learned Foreigners Tribunal number 4 so and so, देख लीजिए, whereby पूरा लिखा है, page 2. Para. Miss Betala, the Learned Counsel, has submitted that the order is admittedly an ex parte one, and the petitioner was deprived from an effective opportunity to defend herself. By drawing the attention of this court to the impugned order, the Learned Counsel has submitted that there is a clear observation that the petitioner had failed to appear in spite of proper service of notice. She, however, points out that with regard to the aspect of proper service of notice, the observation made by the learned member is that the copy of the notice was affixed on the notice board of the Bazna Pathar Gaon Panchayat, and the same was proved as Exhibit 1. The said affixation was done in presence of witnesses who were also examined. Full stop. The primary crux of the challenge is based on the manner of affixation of notice in case the same is not been able to be served. Full stop. By referring to Section 3 within bracket 5 within bracket F of the Foreigners within bracket Tribunal Order, Tribunal bracket Order 1964, the Learned Counsel has submitted that when the place of residence could not be ascertained, the copy of the notice has to be affixed on the outer door or some other conspicuous part of the house of the proceedee where he or she ordinarily resides or last resided. Full stop. She submits that admittedly the notice was affixed in the office of the Gao Panchayat, which will not meet MWT, the requirements of the aforesaid provision of law. Full stop. As regards the further delay, as regards the learned counsel has also drawn the attention of this court to the averments made in paragraph 5, wherein it has been stated that recently the petitioner could learn about the aforesaid order, whereafter steps were taken to collect necessary documents to present this petition. Para. Per contra, Sri Payang, the learned Standing Counsel, Home Department, has submitted that irrespective of the issue that the opinion in question is an ex parte one, there is an unexplained delay from the date of receipt of the certified copy of the opinion and filing of the present petition. The Standing Counsel has, however, candidly admitted that the manner in which the notice was affixed may not be in strict conformity with the requirements of Section 3(5)(f) of the Orders of 1964. Full stop. At the same time, he submits that since the notice was affixed in the office of the Gao Panchayat, there was substantial compliance on the aspect of service of notice. Full stop. Para. Ms. Sri Kuli, the learned counsel for the Election Commission of India, endorses the submissions made by Sri Payang, the learned Standing Counsel. Para. The rival submissions have been duly considered. Para. There is no manner of dispute that the opinion under challenge is an ex parte one. The opinion records that since the proceedee was not found, since the residence of the proceedee was not found, the notice was affixed in the notice board of the concerned Gao Panchayat, which was also proved. Full stop. Section 3(5)(f) of the Order of 1964 reads as follows. Quote kar dijiye, page 14 mein. The aforesaid provision requires affixation of a copy of the notice on the outer door or some other conspicuous part of the house in which the proceedee ordinarily resides or last resided or reportedly resided or personally work for gain or carries on business. Full stop. The aforesaid provision has made ample scope for service of notice in a case where the proceedee has changed the place of residence or place of work without intimation. Full stop. Affixation of the notice in any other place, in the office of the Gaon Panchayat, or for that matter, in any other place, may not fulfill the requirement of the aforesaid provision of law. Full stop. As regards the delay in presenting the petition, which was done on 24/9/2024, juxtaposed with the fact of receipt of the certified copy of the impugned opinion on 3/6/2024 has also been considered. Full stop. The petitioner has annexed certain other documents, including voters list, which were applied for, and one of the voters list is of the date was received on 22/8/2024. Full stop. Though this court, in exercising powers under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, is a court of equity, wherein the conduct of the party approaching this court is of paramount importance, considering the entire issue in a holistic manner. We are of the opinion that interest of justice would require remanding the matter for a fresh consideration by giving opportunity to the petitioner to present her case. Full stop. Para. Accordingly, the instant petition is allowed by directing the petitioner to appear before the concerned Foreigners Tribunal number 4, Dorong, on or before today is 27th. On or before 16th of December 2024 by filing her written statement and all other. What is the procedure required to file? List
Return is that-
and list also, list of witnesses.
Yes, list of witness, appears along with.
List of witnesses along with the list of witnesses. Full stop. On such filing, the learned tribunal will consider her case and and make an endeavor to dispose of the matter expeditiously. This court, on the issue of the delay in approaching this court, in spite of the fact of receiving the certified copy of the impugned opinion on 3/6/2024, this court imposes a token cost of rupees 5,000 to be deposited in favor of the Lawyers Benevolent. What is the name?
Lawyers Benevolent Fund, Guwahati.
Lawyers Benevolent Fund, Guwahati High Court.
Lordship,
What-
I'm doing a pro bono case for her.
We do not know.
Yes.
Okay. Item 16, yes, what is this? Records have come.
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, petitioner has submitted few documents before the Foreigners Tribunal number 10, Burpeta. Here, the voters list of 1960.
Let us see that the opinion.
Yes, Lordship, opinion is at page 31, Start 31.
Yes. Please read.
Page 31, Lordship.
Yes, yes, 28-9, 28-8. 2019 matter.
Yes, sir.
Where have you come now? And why should you give an early hearing now of 19 matter where you filed a case in 2024? Sorry. We have to balance everything.
Lordship, as per my petition, Lordship, para 38 of my petition, that page 3025, Lordship. Due to her financial scarcity, she,
All cases have their own difficulties.
moreover, Lordship.
No, we
she-
cannot give you a disposal matter. Cannot give you a hearing, sorry. The impugned opinion is of the year 2019, and this application has been presented only on after a long delay of more than 5 years on 27/9/2024. Be that as it may, comma. Record, be that as it may, comma. List this case for admission in the month of March 2025. Let the records be retained. Yes,
Yes, Lordship. Order is at page 34, Lordship.
3-4.
34, yes, 34. Last month, in the month of August, this order was passed, Lordship.
Yes, please. This is by whom? FT what?
FT1 Metro, Kamrup Metro, Lordship.
Okay. What has happened?
Lordship, here in this case, it's a second round of litigation, Lordship. The name of the father of the petitioner is Rajni Bishwas, and the mother is Kulbashi, alias Kulrani Bishwas, Lordship. The in his WS, Lordship, he has clearly in his additional written statement, which he had filed before the FT Kamrup Metro, FT number 1. Here he had stated, Lordship, that he has came from erstwhile East Pakistan all along with his parents, and in the LCR, Lordship, I have gone through the LCR at page number 40. One certificate was also there in the record, which shows that the family came from erstwhile East Pakistan in the year 1964.
That certificate was exhibited.
Yes, sir.
Exhibited.
Yes, sir.
As?
A1.
Okay. Then what happened?
Arrival open LCR page 40. 3 children below 8 years. It's written there in the certificate, Lordship.
You've gone through the LCR.
No, my lord, I cannot.
You go through the LCR.
Yes.
We'll have it some other day.
Yes, Lordship. Moreover, brother is also declared Indian, and brother came as DW2 in
You
this.
can take this as points.
Yes, sir.
We'll have this on Monday.
Yes.
You also go through the LCR.
Yes, Lordship. Meanwhile, I may be protected.
That's Monday is not very far off. Pursuant to the earlier order, the records from the tribunal has been received. Sarah? On the prayer of Sri Payang, comma. The matter is adjourned so as to enable him to go through the said records. Full stop. Let the matter be listed for admission when? Monday or Wednesday?
Wait,
When
Is it?
wait,
Oh, Wednesday.
Yes.
We give date, yeah? Fourth.
4/12. Much of.
But please, Your Lord.
Yes, madam.
Yes,
Where are you?
Yes, I'm in court number 3, Lord.
Okay, here,
Yes,
where-
I have handed over the file. to
okay,
Mr.
no, we don't mind whoever
Yes, Lordship.
he's pressing this,
Yes.
NDPS.
My lord. My lord, there are two major points, my lord. I'll
This is
just,
item number,
item number 20, my lord.
supply list. Rajiv Primary.
Rajiv Govind.
You're pressing which application number?
1188 23.
Item number 20.
1188. Okay.
My lord, here, my lord, first, my lord, that the,
Yes, have your seat. Let him, you have your seat.
Yes, sir.
my lord, here the prosecution has completely failed to establish that this appellant, he was arrested on the date of incident. Why? Because, my lord, may kindly come to page 58, my lord. That is the evidence of PW3. This is an independent eyewitness, and the prosecution claims that he was present on the
Page
date of incident.
53.
Page 58, my lord.
58.
58.
Yes, please.
Yes, my lord, on the date of incident, I saw accused Firoz Doimari, who is the appellant in item number 19, my lord.
Who is he?
Uh,
Naren Nath. Oh, no, he's Vikas Nath.
Vikas Nath, my
Who is
lord. He is an
Vikas Nath?
independent witness, eyewitness. So on 29/8/20 at about 1 p.m. after walking inside the army camp, I was returning home. As soon as we reached the gate of army camp, I saw 5 numbers of big size cartoons inside carry bags were unloading by police personnel and by one of our colleague Nandu Bora from one Alto car. When one cartoon was opened in our presence, police found contraband ganja inside the cartoon. The police brought a scale and measured the same in our presence. Then police found around 30 kg 400 grams of contraband in those cartoons, and I saw Firoz Doimari inside the police vehicle. Police then seized those ganja in our presence along with the Alto car, and I put my signature in the seizure as witness. Now he's a seizure witness, my lord. In cross-examination also he has said that I put my signature in the seizure list on the spot. I saw Firoz Doimari inside police vehicle. As I saw police seize the contraband ganja from Alto car, I also saw Firoz Doimari was taken out from the Alto vehicle by police and put him inside the police vehicle. So he has clearly said, and he is not a hostile witness, my lord. Now, if other witnesses says that it is Rajiv Doimari, now he is saying he is Firoz Doimari. So this prosecution witnesses, they are negating each other, my lord. And this arrest further becomes doubtful, my lord, because admittedly, the accused person, he was not produced before the court on the date of incident along with the ganja. He was produced on 31/8/2020, my lord, at page 56, my lord. It is the evidence of the police witness, my lord.
Page
Page
50?
56, my lord. Page 53, the relevant portion is that,
You're Mr. Medhi.
yes, my lord.
It will be difficult like this to, we need to go serially. Why don't you press the entire appeal?
Here behind the cost for, here, my lord, accused was produced in court on
For the
31/8.
DPS matter, we just cannot just go to one part without knowing the background, what had happened. We can give an early date of hearing, 23 matter, appeal of 23.
My lord.
Paperbook prepared. Records have
Paperbook,
come.
no.
Records have come.
And one more point, my lord.
No, we are not saying that we cannot hear, but if we hear, we'll have to hear from the
Right.
threshold, from the, just going to page 56 will not, for you, it may be easy because you're
My lord.
conversant with the matter. We are not conversant.
Well-
We need to know what has happened, how did it start, what is his road, who is Firoz, who is Rajiv, You are trying to bring a distinction between Firoz Doimari and Rajiv Doimari. Whether these are two persons or single
He is
person,
co-accused, my lord.
Firoz is a co-accused.
Yes, my lord. He is in item number 19. My lord. He was also convicted.
And you are not found at that site.
Yes.
You are found where?
My
You were
lord.
arrested from where?
No, I was
You were arrested from which place?
not from that place, my lord.
Which place? When? When were you arrested?
That, my lord, I have to, because that part
These
we
are
have not
matters, see, it's not
registered. Yes.
necessary that all of you have to be on the place of occurrence. This is an organized crime. One person may be in Bombay, one may
Yes,
be
my
in
lord.
Calcutta, but you are
That
still
may be, my
connected.
lord, but they are saying I was arrested singly on that day,
Who
on
is
the
saying?
date of incident, according to FIR, my lord. FIR seizure list and all witnesses. They've said that two persons fled
Where
away.
is the FIR?
My lord, at page 49, my lord.
49.
49. Because it is a specific case, my lord.
Yes, please.
May I read, my
Yes.
With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you that today on 29/8/20 at about 1 p.m., I went out with IC Salonibari OP and accompanied staff towards Mission Chareli. As per secret information getting from Intelligence Service of Military by IC Salonibari OP regarding a blue color Alto vehicle bearing registration number such and such carried some suspected items. During patrolling in National Highway 15, a blue color vehicle tried to escape on seeing a police vehicle near Borjhargaon. Then our vehicle followed the said Alto car and restrained the car near Solmara Army Camp, Borjhargaon. On apprehension of the vehicle, 2 numbers of boys fled away from the vehicle. We able to apprehend the driver of the vehicle who was also tried to flee away from the vehicle. During search of the vehicle, 6 numbers of polythene bag of suspected ganja are found in the vehicle. Then IC Salonibari OP informed the matter to the senior officer, and a little while later, Deputy SP Sonitpur arrived in the place of occurrence and authorized me to seize the vehicle along with the bags of suspected ganja. Accordingly, I have seized the same after being weighed the bags of suspected ganja as per seizure in presence of local witnesses. After that, I carried the bags of suspected ganja to the Honorable Court Tezpur Sonitpur and produced the same in front of Honorable CGM Tezpur Sonitpur. The total weight of these 6 bags of suspected ganja is found to be 34 something kg. Then the sample of the seized bags of ganja have been collected and sealed in front of the Honorable Court. The bags of the suspected ganja have been kept in PS safe custody via MR number this. The apprehended driver is kept in OP safe custody and his name and address is noted in below. So his name is noted below. It is Rajiv Doimari, driver. And in the seizure list also his name is mentioned.
Okay, then what is your case?
My case is that the independent witnesses says that it is not Rajiv Doimari, my lord. It is Firoz Doimari, who was arrested on the date of incident.
Independent witness knows your name.
He has deposed, my lord. He
No, he-
identified in the dock, and then court has recorded his name.
No, how does the independent witness know the names of each of the, if there are more than one accused? Now,
Well-
when were you arrested? What is your case?
My case is, my lord, that I was not arrested from that place.
No, no, when and where?
Subsequently, my lord,
When? Where have you stated?
that we have, actually we have given a suggestion, my lord.
No, you know, you are behind the bars.
Yes,
You are-
my lord.
You are fighting against an order of conviction.
My lord.
When are you arrested? Where are you arrested? Which place? Tell us. Because
That suggestion is not
that will
there.
be your positive case, that I was not there.
Yes,
If you are trying to build up a case, because see, these have come in the evidence stage.
Well,
That one independent witness did not talk about you, but of Firoz.
Hmm.
And FIR says that it was you were the driver,
my lord.
but not Firoz. And you said name of Firoz, and his name was also recorded in the FIR. But will that be enough?
That is one point, my lord. Another point, my lord.
Yes.
Here, my lord, regarding drawing of samples, there is only one line of evidence. But
Now we are on the aspect of involvement. When were you arrested? Where are you arrested? May not be very relevant. It may have some relevance. We are on the aspect of involvement, whether you are involved with the offense.
That is to be proved by the prosecution,
That
my
is
lord,
it.
first, beyond
What is,
reasonable
what is
doubt.
the second?
Second ground, my lord, there is only one liner evidence, my lord, regarding drawing of samples. Page 55, my lord, PW7, who
Yes.
has drawn the sample.
Yes. What is the point you are trying to make, NDPS Act?
That they have failed to prove the link evidence completely, my lord.
Means?
Means how the samples were packed, what was the seal, my lord? There is no evidence of any seal, and where they were kept till it reached the FSL authority. So there is no evidence to link the FSL report with that of the sample which they claims to have drawn.
FSL officer was examined.
Examine, my lord.
What did he say?
My lord, it is at page. FSL report is at page 68, my
No, no, what is his deposition?
deposition, my lord. Six.
You're basing this submission on which provision of law?
Mm, My lord,
Which provision has been hit of the NDPS Act?
my lord, I'll rely on some judgments, my lord.
No, no, there has to be a provision first. We are strictly on going by a code called the NDPS Act of 1985.
My lord.
Which is the provision which is being hit by this?
This is, my lord, first this prosecution is to establish that.
We are not on a general state. Don't make general statement. There has to be a provision which has hit your case. You'll get benefit out of it. Which provision?
Well.
You have to come prepared, not like this. Madam, yes, what is it?
Not-
What is your objection?
but that it's a hun-
You need some
Court.
time.
My lord, three judgments only, my lord, small judgment.
No, you have to first point out the provision of law. Why should we go to the judgment? You first tell us which provision will require drawing of samples in this manner, sending it to FSL in this manner. The seal is required, where is to be kept,
My lord, for
how
that
samples are to be drawn.
my lord, for that I'll rely on these judgments. Very small and specific.
Provision of law. NDPS is before you. What is an inventory?
Yeah, that
What is the primary evidence?
52A,
What
my
is the
lord.
photograph? What are photographs? How samples are to be drawn?
My lord, 52A, my lord.
You have to come prepared. Madam is also seeking for some time.
Lot.
But we think it will be better for all the parties, not only for the court, that if we have the paper book prepared. But since you're insisting, we'll have a date. We'll hear Miss either Madam or
Yes.
Jahan, whoever. You had filed the
I have filed
objection.
the objection, but
You can
since I have
appear
allotted
whenever
the
date,
court number
maybe-
3, I have handed.
Okay. Oh, you're not in this court.
No.
Okay. Tell us, Ms. Jahan, is there whoever appears, we don't
Yes,
mind.
what should be the other date?
It is Monday. Next Monday?
Monday.
Heard Sri D.K. Medhi, learned counsel for the applicant. Also heard Ms. S.H. Bora, learned additional PP. Full stop. Ms. Bora has, however, informed that though objections had been filed, comma, the matter has been entrusted to her colleague, Ms. H. Jahan. Para. She accordingly prays for some time. Para. In view of the above, matter is adjourned to be listed on Monday next.
Right.
Okay. 212. 212. Yeah, Chanda.
My lord, I have very sorry, my lord, I have overlooked the matter in that.
No, okay, you are not informed. He was seeking for time otherwise. Item number?
First week of January, my lord.
Item number 21. Hearing, okay. You were what, for the informant? When do you want, Mr. Talukdar?
I know conveniently it will be better second or third of December. My landed colleague is objection, so that is why. First week of January.
First week of January, okay. On a joint request made by the parties. List in the first week of January 2025.
Dot. Okay.
For hearing. The SD Purkayastha, why is he not there? Last occasion, he was also not there. Not interested or what? There are many persons who are interested to assist the court. None appears for the appellant on call. Although the name of the learned amicus curiae is reflected in the cause list. Ms. B. Bhuyan, learned APP is present. Para. On the last occasion also, the learned amicus curiae. Last occasion also, that is IE 24/5/2024. The learned amicus curiae was not present. Para. In the interest of justice, the matter is adjourned for the last, for a final opportunity. No, adjourned, giving a final opportunity for the learned amicus curiae to appear in the matter. Fixing, appear in the matter, failing which this court would have no other option but to appoint another amicus curiae for the appellant. Para. List on. A matter is adjourned to Tuesday, second, third. 3rd December. If you get Mr. Purkayastha to kindly
Okay, I'll-
inform, okay?
Well, Lordship, although notice was served on
So Dhar, where is he? Arunangshu Dhar. Yes, what is it, madam?
Lordship, the POXO matter.
Okay,
Lordship, I have seen in flag shade, my lord, notice was served on the other side, but none is entered appearance. Lordship, may I prefer entry of justice to come to your point?
okay. Oh.
Right.
None appears for the appellant on call. In spite of name of the learned amicus curiae being reflected in the cause list. Para. Ms. B. Bhuyan, learned APP, Assam, has however informed this court. APP has however informed that service upon the respondent number 2 is complete. Full stop. As they said, respondent number 2 has not appeared and the matter involves the POXO Act, comma, this court appoints Lohit Gogoi, item number 4, to be the amicus to represent the respondent number 2, full stop. Let a copy of the paper book be furnished to him and the matter be listed for hearing after 3 weeks. The matter of Sri Rohit Gogoi be reflected in the cause list for the respondent. Amicus. Huh? Yeah, বিফল রইব।
My senior is on lag in court number 12, my lord. May I pray for another day of
Madam, Priya. On a prayer made on behalf of the appellant, matter is adjourned to be listed on Tuesday next. Listed after a week. Don't say Tuesday. Tuesday बहुत केस दिस। ये matter है नहीं की?
Last,
Madam Chaudhary, what is your matter? We were scared when we saw you.